Question 1. Choose the benefits of having a bank account from the following options. Option 1. Security. Option 2. Interest is received on the amount on the deposit. Option 3. Many government schemes can be availed of. Option 4. All the above options. Answer. Option 4. Question 2. Choose from the options given below. The work of the bank runs over a certain period of time and the bank has holidays. Option 1. Yes. Option 2. No. Answer. Option 1. Question 3. List the documents required to open a bank account. Answer. Possible answers: Aadhaar card, PAN card, ration card, voter ID card, driver's license, photo ID card, address proof. Question 4. If I want to open a bank account for my business, which of the following accounts do I need to have, for current or for savings? Option 1. Savings account. Option 2. Current account. Answer. Option 2. Question 5. Which form do you have to fill while depositing cash in bank account? Answer. Deposit slip. Question 6. List the possible methods required to withdraw cash from your bank account. Answer. Withdrawal slip, self-bearer check. Question 7. What kind of symbol or symbols are required for an A-data or Payee check? Answer. 2 oblique horizontal lines in the left corner at the top of the check. Question 8. If the signature is different from the signature made at the time of opening the bank account on the check, will the bank accept the check? Answer. The bank will never accept it. Question 9. Look at the image below and tell which option marked in a circular manner indicates the number of the check. Answer. Option 3. Question 10. Which documents provide detailed information about all transactions of the bank? Answer. Bank passbook or bank statement.